Too many affiliate marketers are actually making huge mistakes that cost them time and money. Once you have identified these deadly mistakes, you can correct them fairly easily and start creating effective affiliate marketing campaigns. In this video, which is a guide, you will learn about 4 deadly affiliate marketing mistakes that even highly experienced marketers tend to make. I understand that for an affiliate marketer, making sales is the main goal, but never focus too much on selling. Instead, focus on helping your target audience because this is how you add value to your affiliate offers. That's also how you get your potential customer to trust you and want to buy from you. For example, if you're in affiliate marketing, you're helping your customers make money and achieve financial freedom. This way you build a rapport with your audience, you make your job easier, and you get a reason to feel good about yourself. Another deadly mistake too many affiliate marketers make is not testing. Very few affiliate marketers actually do proper testing. Why exactly is testing so important anyway? Well, let's say you're achieving a 2% conversion rate, but what if a change as simple as adding 2 words to your landing page or making your intros in your YouTube videos shorter and concise could increase your conversion to 4%? That would mean doubling your customers and or income. My point, if you haven't got it, is you'll never know what might make a real difference until you do testing. Testing is even harder if you're involved in too many niches, especially as a beginner. Sadly, too many affiliate marketers, especially newbies, are tempted to branch out into too many niches. They set up, for example, 10 blogs, social media accounts, etc. in 10 niches. This is potentially a fatal mistake. You should focus on one or more key niches at a time. Once you've made some real headway into those niches, you can go into more niches, achieve some decent traffic, decent mailing list, social media presence, etc. before you can consider more niches. Another killer mistake that too many affiliate marketers tend to make is signing up for too many affiliate programs. Don't be tempted to join too many affiliate programs. Instead, stick to legitimate affiliate programs with well-known companies. You should achieve some nice commissions this way. Once you've chosen 1 to 2 niches, find 2 to 3 affiliate programs for each niche. Find hot offer in each affiliate program and focus on promoting it for a while. Joining too many affiliate programs takes you much longer to get the minimum payout in each of these affiliate programs. You're also more likely to forget the individual sets of rules of your too many affiliate program.